And we are back, still in Nebraska. Get to the chopper. Get some irrigating now. We're gonna chop. Ethan brought me a empty wagon. Neighbor that owns the chopper, who fixed the chopper, tested it out and chopped a full wagon for Ethan. We should go help him chop these weeds out. Ethan will pull wagons, and I will cut silage of these males. One-handed gizmo. All right, this one is for that one guy on the internet that commented that I'm a bad farmer because I didn't check the oil. I did check the oil on the chopper when we got it, a half an hour before we got it. I just didn't film it. So this one's for you, bud. Checking the oil. It looks, smells, and tastes good. So, oil. This is a wonderful, who can tell me what engine this is in the John Deere 5830? I think it is a, and how many horsepower is it? I don't want to say out loud. What is this motor? It's almost bulletproof. Anyway, check mark. Oil is checked. Now I'm a good farmer, right? Just gotta film everything, or just take the attacks. It's the internet, it makes me laugh. Smells good in here. We are back. package. Those parts didn't come in yet. So we put it together, and I just have to go slower and take it easy. Everybody knows what that is about, but plugging up and slipping, it's just stopping on the right side. So if I take it easy and match my pace with Ethan, it'll probably be okay and just go slow. Normally this chopper can handle a lot more than this, but here we are. This is what we do. Adapt, overcome, improvise. Is it working? Yes. Gotcha. sometimes you take the secret route, you know, the ditch. Nice thing about this chopper, it has a folding corn head. This switch right here can fold a 6-row corn head into a no-row corn head. You can't chop when it's folded up. But it is narrow enough to travel down the road or the ditch. We have nice ditches. I can take that from time to time. Sometimes on purpose, sometimes accidentally. But still navigatable. Here we go. Female's right here, it cuts off, so there's my male block. So I will jump in here and curve the corner and chop it down. Half wagon load back there. This lever engages the PTO. And this runs forward. It puts the head in neutral. Chopper is still running. Or you can throw this handle in reverse to reverse only the head in case it is plugged. Pop it.